All right guys, check it out. I'm headed out of town and I decided to make a video showing you guys how I pack my travel bag. And if you guys didn't see, I have my own Seancutshair limited edition travel bag. They're completely sold out now. So leave me a comment down below if you picked one up. But today I'm gonna show you guys what all I pack in my bag, how I use my GandB, where I put everything, and kind of how I figured out what fits best, where I should put stuff. I've used these things for a long time and I think I figured it out pretty well. So let's go ahead and throw it down here. We will start at the bottom in the clipper portion and start to pack the bag. So first off, if you guys can see, I do have some guards and some things that I leave in here because nowadays I'm traveling so much that I like to just have some stuff I can leave in there so I don't have to pack guards and brushes and combs and all that every single time. So we're gonna take the black FXOnes. So I put my one guard on the clipper. We'll go ahead and take the red FXOne Low Pros as well. Here I am reaching for another guard. So I put the half guard on that, put it right there. I have the trimmer cover for the trimmers. We'll go ahead and throw that next to the FXOne. Take the red trimmer, put the guard on it. It'll go right there. And I have the shaver cover for the FXOnes. If you guys didn't see the unboxing for the black set or the red Low Pro set, I'm gonna link those at the end of the video so you guys can check them out. Actually, no, I need to link the GandB bag. I don't know. I'll put a couple up there for you guys. But let's see what else we're gonna take. We'll go ahead and take our black UV foil. That fits right here. And you guys probably can't really see, but I got some combs in here. I got the rest of my guards. I got some OP clips. Now we can go ahead and open up the bottom. So we're gonna take our OP vent brush, our fade brush, flat top comb, and an OP styling comb. And I do have a couple clipper sleeves here from GandB, so we'll go ahead and throw in the lithiums and the lithium trimmer. So I don't put blade covers on those because they are in that fabric pouch. They don't really need a blade cover. Those will sit right there. Go ahead and grab some extra FXOne batteries. Got a perfect slot for those right there and there. So that's pretty much all I put in here. Sometimes I'll put some product in the bottom just because it fits pretty well. Like my Tomb clay will fit right here, no problem. Take some Statement shine paste. That's probably it. I'm gonna take this curl cream just in case. And that is all I'm gonna put in this bottom section. Now one thing I do guys is I take a towel and I like to put it on top of my clippers because when I've had some customs, this mesh right here, when the bag is packed super full, it will actually rub on your clippers if you're moving around a lot and it can mess up the finish of your clippers. So that's a huge tip for you guys if you do travel with your GandB. Put a towel in there to protect your clippers and you have a towel when you're on the road. Now we have some pouches up here for our scissors. There is my feather razor. We'll take a thinning shear, a longer shear for scissor over comb, and my 5.5 for precision. And guys, my shears are from FreshShears. If you guys are new to the channel, I have about 9 different sets from FreshShears. And guys, FreshShears are amazing. It's what I've been using forever. They're gonna be about $100 each for any pair of shears on the website. I have about 9. And then at any point, you guys can pay $50. They'll send you a brand new one and you can send back the old one and keep your shears brand new all the time. So we got the shears we're gonna use. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a razor handle. We'll take our green razor handle. Make sure if you guys are traveling, you take the blade out. Go ahead and lift my towel up and just tuck it in right there. And I always do this when I'm packing. I kind of look around, see what else is here. I got a blow dryer, water bottle. I think that's pretty much everything up here for clippers. We'll go ahead and close this. Open up this top pouch. You guys can see I already have my capes in here, my OP cape and my OP45 cape. Spare water bottle so I don't have to mess with it all the time. And we are gonna take my brand new Babyliss matte black high-speed dryer. Actually haven't even used it yet, so this is gonna be the first class that I use it. Go ahead and fit that in there. And then obviously we need our diffuser and our nozzle. That is it for that pouch. We'll go ahead and close that up. You guys leave me a comment down below. I like to put my zippers in the front so that, I'll say the front, the side of the bag, so that when I set the bag down, I can unzip it and flip it out. And I asked that in my GandB video and nobody really commented, but let me know. When somebody else packs my bag and they zip them all the way around to the other side, sometimes I can't find my zippers and it drives me nuts. So I'm a creature of habit. I like to have things the same. That's just how I do it. So now in this bottom pouch here, guys, I like to put bigger products. We will take our Statement grooming spray, Tomb45 powder, anything else that's big that needs to go in there. So we'll take some Tomb45 fibers. We can throw in our shave gel. Go ahead and flip it that way. And in this top pouch up here, I like to put some extra gloves. I'll take some gloves, shove them in there. All right, so I'm looking around. That is pretty much it. I got guards already in here. I got, oh yeah, we need this. My GandB air duster. We'll go ahead and just throw that in. We'll throw it down here with the products. We got capes, products, clippers and trimmers and shavers and shears, razor handle. I don't really take alcohol or aftershave. Like that's pretty much it. So that is it, guys. That is my GandB. I'll tell you guys, this is actually about 30 pounds when I carry it, when it's packed totally full like I just showed you. So I like to actually put it in a suitcase and take it on the road with me. I don't like to carry it on my back because it's too heavy. You guys can see it, it's packed totally full. But with a little double strap action, we can do it. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm just going to Nashville this time and I'm actually driving down, so I'll just throw this in the car and it won't be any problem. But you guys can see the GandB packed full. I don't know if you guys have one, but if you don't, you need to go grab one. But you're too late to get the Seancutshair edition. You see I do have one up here on the wall just for display, and then this is the one that I travel with. It has some of my Babyliss pins and some of my other pins from Pin Stop and BB&B. So anyway, if you guys want to check out any GandB products, click the link in the description or go to gandbpro.com. Like I said, you guys can't get this bag. Maybe we can talk them into redropping it again, but that is it for now. If you guys have any questions about how I pack my bag or you want to know anything about it, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. And if you guys want to see the unboxing of this bag, I'm going to put it up here. And if you guys want to see, I think I can only put 2 videos. We will put the black FXOnes right here down at the bottom. And if I can put another one up, I'll put the red low pros as well. But that's it for the video. I'll catch you guys next time.